Hey everyone, welcome back to the GEX Bible. Hope you're all doing well. I'm Maya. It's Tuesday, May 12th, 9:40 a.m. ET. Here with GEX for the SPX opening bell structural read. Quick disclaimer up top before we get into it. Standard disclaimer. This is a structural read of SPX GEX data. Education only, not financial advice.
Confirmed. We're not advisors. Nothing here is a recommendation. You trade your own risk. All right, let's dig in.
So what's the SPX structure showing us today?
If you look at the levels panel on the right of the dashboard, the headline numbers are right there. Net GEX is minus 34.1 million. Regime is negative. Spot is 73.83, above the flip at 73.80.
So what's the through line?
Means dealers are amplifying moves, and the walls are softer than they look. That's the through line for the whole session.
Show me what the levels panel is telling us today.
On the levels panel, look up first, a call wall stack at 74.10 and 74.15. Those are the strikes labeled with the red call wall markers. Now scroll your eye down past the ATM line at 73.83. You can see a put wall stack at 73.70 and 73.50 on the panel. Those are the blue put wall markers.
So the box is 73.70 to 74.10?
That's the box, Maya. First touch on either side is where today's story starts.
If you had to pick one thing to watch.
Any break of the put wall. Negative gamma means there's no friction below. If it goes fast.
Bear case, bull case. Go.
Bear scenario. If spot breaks below 73.70 with GEX contracting, the framework predicts acceleration towards 73.60. That put wall is the next structural target. Bull scenario. If spot pushes above 74.10 with GEX expanding, the framework predicts continuation towards 74.20. The call wall flips from resistance to magnet.
And to be clear, those are predictions about market structure, not trade calls.
Yep, your read, your risk.
That wraps the morning read. End of day recap is up after 4. Last word, GEX?
Trade your own risk. The dealer has to come back and come back and come back. We'll see you at 4:30.
Subscribe if today's structural read was useful. Wrapping it up. Goodbye and good luck navigating the structure today.
And to close out, a thought. The framework does not predict the next move. It reads what the dealer must do when the next move arrives. Today's structural read is exactly the territory.
That's it for this one. Trade your own risk. See you on the next one.